finally made it after what felt like 10 hours on the worst road known to man. And here we start our 1.5 hour journey, roughly, to Morans Falls, I'm gonna call it. I dare you to eat it. Okay, we have elapsed 40 minutes. We didn't really go quick with it. Haven't taken our time. I don't know if you can hear it behind me. But we finally made it to the first lookout point. Wow. What a beauty. I'll zoom in a little bit. We still, I don't know how long we've got. It says it's gonna take what, an hour and a half, and it's been 40 minutes. So I'm assuming the next place won't be too far away, and I think the next spot comes out directly over there somewhere, right on top of it. So that will be cool. And then we've got to walk back. Yay! So I told Callum, oh, go walk out to the edge. Come here, baby. Go walk out to the edge. And don't hurt yourself. He's like, no, I'll be fine. And as you can see in the clip, he fell over. Show me your arm. Show me your arm. Come close. I can't see. And these battle scars. I'm glad I didn't go with him. I was just sitting here because I would have tripped over probably 10 times. Okay, after Callum's little fall, we are now headed back to the top, which is gonna be a while. I feel like it took us like an hour to get down here, so I feel like it's gonna take us even longer to get back. But let's do this. We finally made it out. We elapsed 2 hours. So it's gonna take us an hour and a half. Oops. The walk back was literally the worst, but we did it. Anyway, guys, we did it. Thanks for coming. I recommend it. Seeing the falls is actually really fun, and I could literally sit there and on a rock by the river all day, I think.
Watch Callum fall over.
Watch Callum fall over a million times. As worried as I was, because I thought he was honestly just gonna go in the water and go over the edge. It was quite funny. Yeah. Thanks for coming.